Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to make a rough sketch of the graph of the function y is equal to 4 to the x minus 1. We are not going to use a calculator. Using the graph given in figure 3 and 13, here we have the graph of y is equal to 4 to the x, and if necessary, the transformations of section 1.3. So here we have a transformation. We're going from y equals 4 to the x to y equals 4 to the x minus 1. And using what we know about transformations from the previous section, we know that if we have a subtraction of 1 that's not within the function, right, so this isn't 4 to the x minus 1. This is 4 to the x, calculated like normal, minus 1. This means it's a vertical shift. And since it's negative, it's down 1. So what we have to do is take our graph here. We have two important points. 0, 1 becomes 0, 0. And 1, 4 becomes 1, 3. And then other than that, the function remains the same. So it goes off to infinity. And then it goes off to 0, except that's been removed, or it's been changed, down 1, so it's approaching negative 1. So we have simply moved it down 1 unit at all places to give us the function y equals 4 to the x minus 1.